During this role play, I want to give you an assignment. I want all the students, those who are looking at this video, to please do a role play within your outlet, within your establishment. And when you're doing a role play, kindly upload that video either to the Google Drive or just send me a link. Now, the reason why I'm asking that, I want to see how you will do. I'm going to provide you a personalized advice if there is anything not right, and I'm going to help you coaching further that how to do a better role play, how to do a better order taker, how to do this role professionally in your outlet. Example, when during taking order for the main course, or if you're taking order for a starter, you are taking order for the soup or a salad, how do you actually do the order taking? Now you know the steps. You will provide a menu. You will provide menu with the first page open. If you want to say, example, you want to show it to the customer, where is the daily special insertion, you will show it to him at this point. And after showing to him, you leave him alone, you let him read, you give a small space between. So this is a tech how you are going to do the order taking. Further, during taking the order of wine, once you have done the food order, this is the time for you to present a wine card. In the wine card, you can also highlight if there is any special seasonal wine during this time. Or if you have received any special wines came during this time, you will say to the customer, sir, during this time, we have received a new consignment. We got 36 bottles only available of this wine. I have a display available. Even if you want to a sample, I can provide you some. So then they have an idea that not only the wine list that they have received from you, or cocktail list that they have received from you, beverage list they have received from you, apart from that, there is something else as well. But how you will speak to the customer, accordingly, you will receive an excellent order taking. Because not many customers, those who come to your outlet, they want to spend a lot of money. But again, if you are tactful, if you are using your manners, if you are using your techniques of upselling, you are able to get very good order taking. You will do two benefits. First of all, your check will rise, your knowledge will sharpen because of interaction, and the customer will think very highly about you. Secondly, taking an order of coffee. Now, when it comes to a coffee, not only you're taking a hot order of a coffee, simple coffee, you can take an espresso, cappuccino, or anything else with the snake coffee, Irish coffee, Drambuie coffee, Tiamaria coffee. The choices are unlimited depending on how you want to behave with the customer. Even you can say, sir, I can serve you the coffee at the terrace. You let them change a table, take them to the terrace and serve the coffee over there. You can give petit fours, you can give anything else to go along with the coffee, or after dinner chocolates, anything that is available to sale. This is the time for you to tell the customer, take the order.